Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for a carnivore diet. This foundational recipe is incredibly simple, requiring just a few key animal-based ingredients. We will cover everything from selecting the best bones to the ideal cooking duration, ensuring you create a rich, gelatinous broth. This nourishing liquid is a cornerstone for many, offering vital nutrients and supporting overall well-being on a meat-focused eating plan. For the most authentic carnivore bone broth, focus on quality animal bones. Aim for a mix of marrow bones, knuckle bones, and even some joint bones from beef, lamb, or bison. These provide the rich gelatin and minerals we are seeking. You will also need plenty of filtered water to cover your bones and a good quality unrefined sea salt to taste. That is truly all you need for a pure, carnivore-friendly broth. Begin by roasting your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This step is optional but greatly enhances the flavor. Transfer the roasted bones to a large stock pot and cover them with filtered water, ensuring all bones are submerged. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to maintain a very low, consistent bubble. Allow it to cook for a minimum of 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours, for maximum nutrient extraction. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain out all the bones and solids. Let the liquid cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for several months of convenient use. Enjoy your homemade bone broth warm, perhaps with a pinch more salt, as a comforting and nutrient-dense addition to your carnivore lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.